Oh, I see him. He right here. Pop that nigga.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna make a banger with
He's
this.
one tap. Open that door. He's right here. Open that door. He's one tap.
What?
I popped
There
on.
he go. I just made it home. Missed calls on my phone. See, I've been gone. Was trying to hit a lick.
You got both. Got him.
Hey, there.
Bitch ass nigga. Oh, yeah. I see him. Right here. Wait. Don't shoot. Oh, no, wait. Let's see what you niggas doing. Oh, yeah. Come on, one's up here. I'm finna throw the nades. He's cooked. Pop that nigga.
Stupid.
Got it, dumbass. I'm thirsting his teammate. Watch that zip line for his teammate. His teammate already up here. He already up here. He behind the pillar. He's behind the pillar. Watch the right. I got him. Pop. Push that shit. We on that ass. Got his dumbass. What? Got his dumbass. Stupid bitch. He's a hoe. So we popping shit. That's how we get wrecked with him.
A few moments later.
What you call it?
Come outside and bug. Stop being scared, rats.
Got him. Tag that nigga. Tag him once again. He's low. Push up, nigga. I'm finna throw Blaze. Don't go in that door. Jim. Chill. What you already went through? Damn. I'm still up here, gang. Was it 2 or 1? Did you know?
What the hell?
Was it 2 or 1? Dumbass nigga, 1v2. Where's my nigga, bro? Come on, you know what I'm saying? I'm sparking niggas.